Struggling to build wealth? You're not alone. Millions work hard but find themselves no closer to financial freedom. What if I told you there are habits that can change your financial future? Just a few simple changes could make all the difference. Let's talk about goals. Clear, specific, and measurable financial goals. They give you direction like a compass. Without a destination, you'll just drive in circles. The same goes for your finances. Goals keep you motivated and focused. Write them down, break them into milestones. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Let's talk about a fundamental habit for wealth building, paying yourself first. Prioritize your savings and investments the moment you get paid. Treat savings as a non-negotiable expense, like rent or bills. By paying yourself first, you ensure consistent contributions to your financial future. Start early to let your money grow through compound interest. Automation is a powerful tool in your wealth-building arsenal. We're all tempted to spend, right? Automate your savings and investments to remove that temptation. Set up automatic transfers every payday. The money is saved before you can spend it. Build wealth on autopilot. Automate your investments too. Consistency is key, and automation makes it effortless. All right, let's talk about budgeting. You can't build wealth if you don't know where your money is going. It's like driving with your eyes closed. You're bound to crash and burn. A budget gives you a clear picture of your income and expenses. It's all about taking control of your finances, not letting them control you. The key is to find a budgeting method that you can stick to. Remember, a budget is not about restricting your freedom. It's about giving you the financial freedom to pursue your dreams. Lifestyle inflation is a silent wealth killer. As you earn more, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle. But the more you spend, the more you need to earn. Living below your means doesn't mean deprivation. It's about prioritizing financial goals over material possessions. Let's talk about building multiple streams of income. Relying on one source is risky. It's like putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your earnings. Each income stream adds a safety net. Try a side hustle like freelance writing or start an online business. Rental properties generate passive income. And don't forget the stock market. Dividend stocks work for you 24/7. Start small and build up over time. Your future self will thank you. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful wealth-building tools you have at your disposal: time. When it comes to investing, the earlier you start, the better. It all comes down to the magic of compound interest. It's like a snowball effect for your money. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small contributions made consistently can lead to significant wealth. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Investing in yourself is crucial. Your skill set is one of your most valuable assets. Develop high-value skills that are in demand. These skills can help you negotiate higher salaries, secure promotions, or start a business. It's about increasing your earning potential. Identify high-value skills by researching industry trends. Consider what you're passionate about. Learn to code, master digital marketing, or become a skilled salesperson. Continuously invest in your education and development. Network with people in your desired field. The more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become. Oh, all right, let's talk about knowledge, the ultimate wealth multiplier. Diving deeper into personal finance and investing is crucial. Reading books dedicated to these topics can be a game changer. Start with one book a month. Even just a chapter a day can make a difference. It's an investment in yourself that pays dividends for life. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals driven by financial success can be incredibly beneficial. Conversations about investing and smart money moves rub off on you. You start thinking differently and adopting a proactive approach to your finances. Networking isn't just about schmoozing at fancy events. Join online communities, attend workshops, and strike up conversations. You never know where you'll find your next big break. Impulse buying is a silent wealth killer. Those spur-of-the-moment purchases drain your bank account. Uncontrolled spending is a recipe for financial disaster. Invest every dollar you save. Develop discipline in your spending habits. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Make conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Let's talk about reinvesting your earnings. It's like the snowball effect of wealth building. Reinvesting dividends and profits tells your money to make more money. It's like having employees working for you 24/7. Buy a rental property, generate positive cash flow. Instead of splurging, reinvest that cash flow. Maybe buy another property or pay down the mortgage. This builds long-term sustainable wealth. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Even small amounts, reinvested consistently, lead to significant wealth. Be patient, disciplined, and watch your wealth grow. If you're serious about building wealth, you need to know where you stand financially. That's where tracking your net worth comes in. Think of it like checking the scorecard of your financial journey. Your net worth is a snapshot of your financial health. It's what you own minus what you owe. Tracking your net worth shows your progress over time. Make it a habit to calculate your net worth regularly. Building wealth usually involves some level of risk-taking. What I'm talking about are calculated risks. These are opportunities you've researched thoroughly, weighed the potential rewards against the downsides, and decided the upside is worth the risk. Staying in your comfort zone might feel safe, but it rarely leads to significant growth. Starting a business, investing in real estate, even switching careers, all involve risk, but they also have the potential for enormous rewards. Be strategic, educate yourself, seek advice from experts if needed. Fortune favors the bold, but also the prepared. So arm yourself with knowledge and take that calculated risk. Let's talk about long-term wealth building. We live in a world of instant gratification. Get-rich-quick schemes are tempting. Real wealth takes time. Those quick riches? Too good to be true. Focus on building a solid foundation. Invest in your education, skills, and network. Build something that lasts. Slow and steady wins the race. Create real, lasting wealth. Let's talk about debt. Not all debt is bad. It can help you invest in your future like a mortgage. But high-interest debt can hold you back. Tackle it aggressively. Create a budget, cut unnecessary expenses, list your debts, highest interest first. Pay down the highest interest debt first. Roll payments into the next debt. This is the debt snowball method. It's effective for becoming debt-free. Take charge, create a plan, work towards financial freedom. You know, I talk a lot about financial investments, but there's another investment that's even more important. Your health. You can have all the money in the world, but if you're not healthy enough to enjoy it, what's the point? So make your health a priority. Start by incorporating healthy habits into your routine. It's an investment in your future, your happiness, and yes, even your wealth. All right, let's talk about financial plans. A financial plan is like having a roadmap to your dream life. It's about clarity, direction, and achieving those big financial goals. You punch in the destination, map out the route, maybe even check for traffic. A financial plan is the exact same thing for your money. Remember, we're talking long-term wealth building here. A financial plan is your personalized guide to making smart decisions with your money. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, what does giving back have to do with building wealth? And it's a fair question. Generosity isn't just good for the soul, it can actually be good for your wallet too. I'm not saying you should donate your entire life savings. That's not how it works, but giving back, even in small ways, can have positive ripple effects. First off, giving back feels amazing. It boosts your mood and cultivates a mindset of abundance. When you focus on giving, it shifts your perspective. Supporting causes adds purpose to your financial journey. Giving back can open surprising financial doors. You build connections, expand your network, and create goodwill. You never know who you might meet or what opportunities might arise. And let's not forget the tax benefits. Donating to registered charities can result in tax deductions. So yeah, giving back is a win-win situation. It feels good, it does good, and it can even have some unexpected financial perks. We live in a world of instant gratification. Want to watch a movie? Boom, it's on Netflix. Need groceries? Instacart drops them at your door. But building wealth, that takes time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. FOMO, the fear of missing out, is a wealth killer. You see someone making a killing in the stock market, or a hot new cryptocurrency, or your neighbor's new Tesla. Chasing quick wins rarely leads to long-term success. Remember the slow and steady tortoise? Slow, consistent growth builds lasting wealth. Tune out the noise, focus on your journey, trust the process, stay the course, and you'll cross that finish line. Let's talk about tracking your progress. It's like having a financial GPS, guiding you to your destination. You need to know where you are to figure out where you're going. Constantly check your progress and adjust your route if necessary. Regularly review your budget and investments. Track your progress and make changes as needed. Life throws curveballs. Your car could break down, you could lose your job, or your roof could need replacing. That's where your emergency fund comes in. It's your financial cushion, your peace of mind. Prioritize it, build it up steadily, and be prepared for whatever life throws your way. Let's talk about where you should be putting your money. Many invest in liabilities instead of assets. What's the difference? An asset puts money in your pocket while a liability takes it out. A rental property generating income is an asset. A fancy car with hefty payments is a liability. Focus on assets that appreciate and generate wealth. Look, you're not going to get what you want if you don't ask for it, right? That's true for everything in life, but especially when it comes to money. Whether you're asking for a raise, haggling over the price of a car, or negotiating a better interest rate on a loan, becoming a skilled negotiator can put serious cash back in your pocket. And trust me, those savings add up over time. Remember, negotiation isn't about being aggressive, it's about understanding value and communicating effectively. Do your research, know your worth, and don't be afraid to walk away if you're not getting what you deserve. And the more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Pretty soon you'll be closing deals like a pro and watching your wealth grow. This one's huge, guys. Your mindset plays a massive role in your financial success. If you constantly tell yourself you're bad with money, guess what? You're probably going to be right. Instead, cultivate a positive money mindset. Believe that you can achieve your financial goals. Visualize yourself living the life you want. Focus on abundance and opportunity. When you shift your perspective from scarcity to abundance, you open yourself up to new possibilities and attract greater wealth. Remember, your thoughts become your reality. So think big, think positive, and watch your financial world transform. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs, good times and bad. The key is to stay consistent with your financial habits, no matter what life throws your way. Don't get discouraged if you experience a setback or two. Everyone makes mistakes. The important thing is to learn from them and keep moving forward. Even small, consistent actions like investing a little bit each month can yield significant results over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. So stay focused on your long-term goals, ride out the storms, and never underestimate the power of consistency when it comes to building wealth. Look, gone are the days of balancing your checkbook with a pen and paper, you know? We live in a digital age, and there's a ton of technology out there that can make managing your money easier than ever. We're talking budgeting apps that track your spending, investment platforms that make it stupid easy to buy stocks and bonds, and even robo-advisors that'll build and manage your portfolio for you. Seriously, some of these apps will even analyze your spending habits and give you personalized advice on how to save more. It's like having a personal finance advisor in your pocket 24/7. So don't be afraid to embrace the power of technology, all right? Use it to automate your finances, track your progress, and make smarter decisions with your money. Okay, listen up, this is important. One bad accident or unexpected event could wipe it all away if you're not properly insured. That's why having the right insurance policies is non-negotiable. Think of insurance as a safety net. It's there to catch you if you fall. The financial world is constantly changing. New trends emerge, markets fluctuate, and economic conditions shift. Staying informed about these changes is crucial if you want to make smart decisions with your money. Think of it like this. You wouldn't buy a stock without doing any research, would you? It's the same with your overall financial strategy. Staying informed helps you spot opportunities, avoid potential pitfalls, and adapt your approach as needed. How do you actually stay informed? Well, you don't need to become a Wall Street guru overnight. Start by following reputable financial news sources, subscribing to industry newsletters, and listening to podcasts like, well, this one. The key is to find reliable sources that resonate with you and make it a habit to stay in the loop. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Let's be real, guys, nobody's perfect. We all make mistakes, especially when it comes to something as complex as personal finance. The important thing isn't to avoid mistakes entirely, that's impossible, but to learn from them and become financially resilient. Remember that time I lost money flipping that condo? Yeah, not my proudest moment, but it taught me some invaluable lessons about market research, due diligence, and knowing when to walk away from a deal. Those lessons, worth way more than the money I lost. See, failure isn't the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone on the path to it. Every financial fumble, every missed opportunity is a chance to analyze what went wrong, adjust your strategy, and come back stronger. So, embrace your mistakes, learn from them, and use them as fuel to propel you towards your financial goals. There you have it, 30 powerful habits that can accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and consistency is key. Implement these habits gradually, stay persistent, and watch your financial future brighten. Thank you for being willing to listen, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Smash that subscribe button and ding the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos about building wealth and achieving financial success. For even more financial tips and insights, head over to leroybrown.ca. Until next time, stay financially sound.